Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today the game is adjectives for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Learning English is not difficult. It is easy. Easy. Easier than. The easiest. We have two ways to use this adjective. Special. He's a special boy means he's a little bit different than the regular students, and he is unique. And the movie had great special effects. Special effects in movies are the animation or the little tricks they can use to make the movie exciting. Bob is intelligent. He is good at doing things. Bob is able. He is an able person. We don't use it this way very often. We usually use it in the idiom, be able to do something. But this is correct. They are studying hard. Next week is their. This means their last. Final. Next week is their final exam. Bob always feels when he talks to the boss. This means afraid, anxious, nervous. He feels nervous when he talks to the boss. If you ask them about it, you will just get a answer. This means average, normal, regular. A standard answer. When you use standard like this, it's an adjective. Her mother is, and this means she has been teaching for a long time. And the first missing letter looks like this. Her mother is an experienced teacher. Experienced is an adjective here. Can you help her find clothes for the party? This means suitable or acceptable. And the first letter is the first letter in the alphabet. Appropriate. Appropriate. Spelling double P. The results will be upon your performance. This means they will depend on. Contingent upon. We also say contingent on. Can you say this word? Municipality. Please check your dictionaries. It's another word for a town or a city. We use this word a lot when we talk about politics. The question is, what is the adjective? It is in the word. Municipal. Bye-bye.